guys, I'm going to do a pack opening since it's near Christmas, so there are special packs out. And yes, I've had my haircut, so hopefully my haircut can bring me good luck. So here we go. Here are the packs that I will be opening. The ones that's on now. Don't know if it will be backwards, but yeah, let's see. First pack. Open it. Close eyes. It better be on the screen now. Yep, I heard it. That was rubbish. So guys, I'm just gonna, every pack I open, I literally just grab the contracts, the fitness. Don't grab everything. I grab the better things. I'll take him and him. That's it. That's all I'm taking. And I'll quick sell the rest. That's a good amount of coins. Okay, so second pack. Better be something better. Eyes to close, don't know what I'm getting. Okay. Is it good? Is it good? Oh! That's actually quite good. So I'm taking Cavani. And then just contracts again. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, I'm just taking all the contracts. 500 coins. I'll take whatever I can get, really. I'll take him. I don't know if you can see. And then I will quick sell the rest. Okay, for this last pack, I'm going to flip the screen. I will be closing my eyes again, so let me just flip the screen. The screen has been flipped. My eyes will be closed. Last pack. Come on, can we get someone better than Cavani? My eyes closed. So guys, I don't know what I got. Cavani was the best player in that pack opening then. I won't take another player, I'm just going to take the contracts again. And the fitnesses. I did say I was going to do like something special for my next video, but I've forgot to do that. And these packs were out, so I had to. I just wanted to take them. We got the duplicate of John Shelby. I'm going to quick sell the rest. So guys, that is the end of the video. No more packs that I can open now. I am gone. These are the packs that are still in. You can get them. I should have got them actually, but them better what I just opened. So yep, see you later guys. And